How to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Move into your profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Move into settings and privacy. So the first thing you should know that there is no any direct feature or the option where you can unfollow everyone at once on Instagram. But still there is an alternative method. So what you want to do is scroll all the way down and move into help. Tap on report a problem at the top. Click on report a problem without checking. Click on include and continue. Over here what you want to do is to enter the problem that you have been facing on Instagram. If you don't know what to write, you can simply copy and paste the thing that I have just written and then just click on send at the top right corner. Your report will be successfully submitted to the Instagram team. And within 24 hours, the Instagram team will definitely come up with some solution for you and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.